First one was add, right? So add, verb, addition, noun, additional adjective, additionally adverb, right? And as for the appropriate preposition, you should keep in mind that to goes with add. To goes with add. Add to, right? And as for the phrase, it comes from or it comes with noun, that is addition. And what is the phrase? In addition to. So first word is now our task with the first word is complete. So add, addition, additional, additionally, right? And preposition add to and the phrase in addition to. Is it okay? Now let me tell you how we should take care of a particular word, right? Now when you come across a new word or you are using a familiar word, maybe you should take complete care of that word, right? So what does complete care means? You should study its word class, the appropriate prepositions, and where there is phrase associated with it. So if you do not take care of all these aspects of a word, then your knowledge will remain inadequate, right? And you are likely to commit mistakes. Maybe you will use inappropriate prepositions. Maybe you will not get the right phrases. So when you do any word class chart exercise, you should pay attention to these two aspects. That is, if there is a phrase associated with the word, or if the word takes appropriate preposition. Is it okay? So bye for today. To see you in the next class or to meet you in the next class. Of course, I feel whatever we are doing online is inadequate or does not come up to expectations, right? Because online class cannot be substitute for student teacher interaction which we have in our real classrooms, right? Anyway, we should do what we can in this crisis. So you keep these things which have come under today's discussion, and we shall meet in the next class. Okay, bye. Well, next, comply, right? Comply, compliant, COMPLAINT, and compliance, no adverb. Comply verb, compliant, COMPLAINT, and compliance, COMPLAINCE. So what is the appropriate preposition? Comply with. And what is the phrase to keep in mind? In compliance with. In compliance with. Well, next, attentive, adjective, right? Attentive, attention, attentively. And what is the appropriate preposition? Attention to, right? And for collocation, you should remember this expression, pay attention to, right? Next, view. View, it can be used as verb, it can be used as noun, right? Noun means when you take it as action word. But if you look for a person, then you can use another noun, viewer, right? Viewer. And you need not go for other forms. These forms are in use. And as for the phrases which we get with view, you should remember this phrase, with a view to, right? With a view to, right? And if you use verb after to, you should remember that verb should be in ing form. So with a view to doing something. And then another phrase is there, in view of. So with a view to and in view of, right? Next, depend. Depend is verb, dependent and dependable, both possible as adjective. But there is difference in their meanings. Dependent or dependable, right? And noun is dependence. Dependence. And what is the appropriate preposition? Dependent on or depend on. So both verb and adjective require appropriate preposition, and in both cases on, right? Next, amuse. Amuse, verb, amusing or amused, both are adjectives. Amused or amusing. Again, there is difference in their meanings. You are amused, right? But you find something amusing. This is the difference. Amusement, noun form. And what is the appropriate preposition to remember? Amuse at, amusement at, amused at, amusement at, right? So what is the adverb? Amusingly. Next, resign. Resign has two meanings, right? I think you know the most common meaning. Resign means to leave one's job. Suppose you have, in your school, you have attended many farewell ceremonies, right? And when are such ceremonies held? When one of your teacher retires. So retires means it's a part of the system or rules, right? But resign has slightly different meaning. Resigns means sometimes one of one's own accord. That means for his or her personal reason, leaves or gives up his or her job. That is resign. And another meaning is to accept something unpleasant. to accept something unpleasant. So resign as verb has two meanings, and noun form is resignation. Resignation. Adjective is resigned. Resigned. And adjective you can get only when the meaning of resign is to accept something unpleasant. Is it clear? You can get adjective from resign, resigned, when you mean that resign means to accept something unpleasant. And what is the appropriate preposition? Resigned to. Resigned to. This is the appropriate preposition, right? Next one, accuse. Accuse verb. Accusing or accused, both adjectives. Just like amusing and amused. So accusing, accused. But if you look for adverb, it will come from accusing. That means accusingly, right? Accusingly. And what is the noun form? Accusation, right? Accusation. And what is the appropriate preposition? Accuse of. Accuse of. And last one is benefit, right? Benefit has two forms. One is verb, other is noun. Benefit. What is adjective? Beneficial, right? Beneficial. What is the spelling? Beneficial. Now, remember, many of you may go wrong with the spelling benefit when you use the word in your writing. So, what is the spelling benefit? Benefit. In some cases, we come across this spelling benefit. So, mind the spelling. So, benefit verb, benefit noun, beneficial adjective, right? And what is the appropriate preposition? Beneficial to. Beneficial to. Now, in most cases, you are asked to fill in word cluster, right? When you had classes with me, I sometimes took you through these tasks. I gave you some words to fill in the word cluster, right? But today you have noticed I have extended the task. That means I have added something. What is that? I have asked you to write the phrases where possible with particular words, right? For example, in addition to, you have got in view of, with a view to, you have got, right? And I have asked you to write appropriate preposition or to note appropriate prepositions. Could you tell me why I have asked you to write the phrases where possible and the appropriate prepositions? Why I have asked you to do that in addition to filling the word clusters? Can you tell me what is the reason? Well, as for advance, right? Advance is verb, advance is noun, or advancement is noun. Is it clear? Advance is verb first, then you can use it as noun as well, and its another noun form is advancement, right? An adjective is advanced. Is it clear?